Sri Saraswati Namaha, Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Today's our topic is overhead tank locations of your property under episode number 21, Rudra Vaastu. Today I am going to explain to you about the various locations of the overhead tank at apartments, bungalows, offices and factories. I am going to explain you about the apartment. If you see, builder builds the apartment and he will go away. Next, housing society members will take place. They will run the housing society. Now, coming into the apartment, whereas your overhead tank located at exactly northeast corner, housing society starts to work to do anything, but it always delays takes place. Coming into the overhead tank at north side on your terrace, it is giving you financial instability to the housing society. Whereas northwest corner housing society overhead tank is located, it is clearly giving you difference of opinions in the members. Whereas west side overhead tank is giving you clearly a good name in the society. Southwest corner overhead tank giving you clearly both financial stability as well as the name stability also is coming. Whereas south side overhead tank is giving you clearly a financial cash flow. Whereas southeast corner, if you located the overhead tank, it is giving you health related issues to the society members. Whereas east side overhead tank is giving you clearly illegal activities in the society, any of the members. It is the things is happening in case of apartments. Now, I am coming into the bungalow. Your overhead tank is located at northeast corner of your terrace. It is clearly delaying all your works. About the north side, if your overhead tank is located, you will be getting a financial instability. Whereas northwest corner is giving you depression sometimes. However, west side is giving you good name in the society. Whereas southwest corner overhead tank is clearly giving you growth as well as stability in all aspects of your life. Whereas south side overhead tank is giving you cash flow. Whereas southeast corner overhead tank is giving you health instability sometimes. Whereas east side overhead tank is giving you illegal activities, connection sometimes. So on the overall, if you are a owner of the bungalow, I advise you keep it southwest corner only your overhead tank, which is almost very important to the entire water flow to your bungalow. Now I am coming into the office. If you are the owner of the office, you are running a business, any sector, any industry which is like terraces like this, and your northeast corner, if you keep the overhead tank, giving you delays in almost all the marketing as well as cash flow. Whereas north side overhead tank is giving you instability in the financial part. Whereas northwest corner is giving you depression or indifferences in the employees as well as the head of the owner. Whereas west side is giving you good name to your product. Whereas southwest is giving you growth, that is stability in finances, stability in companies, stability in employees is giving you. Whereas south side overhead tank is giving you clearly a cash flow. Whereas south is giving you instability in health part. Whereas connection east side is overhead tank is giving you connection to the illegal activities. So these are the things on the overall are related to your office. I am coming into the factory. If you are owner of the factory running a production unit and your terrace is RCC structure, then these things are applicable to you. Whereas your overhead tank is northeast corner, it is giving you delay in production. Whereas north side overhead tank is there, it is giving you instability in cash flow. Whereas northwest corner is giving you indifferences in the employees. Whereas west side is giving you good name to your product, whatever producing you. Whereas southwest corner is giving you better growth, brand name, everything you will be getting. Whereas south exactly overhead tank is there giving you cash flow positions. Whereas southeast corner overhead tank is there, it is giving you instability in health part. Whereas east side overhead tank is connecting you to the illegal activities. On the whole, I advise the factory owner, you are a factory owner, I advise you keep overhead tank at the southwest corner. This is the book of latest edition which was published by me. The soft copy of this book will be available in the description. If you want, you can contact me for this book. Please like, share, subscribe our channel Rudra Vaastu. Thank you. Have a nice day.